Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity for 2024, 2025 and 2026 pass out batch. So first important opportunity from the Is My Trip. They are hiring for the role of MIS executive and freshers are eligible. So this is a full-time role. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to this mail ID. Now talking about the important criteria, so you should have bachelor degree in commerce, business or administration, and these are the knowledge. Coming to next important opportunity from the United Airlines, they are hiring for the role of associate data analyst, communication performance, and job location is Gurugram. And these are the things you should have. Okay, so you can go through complete job link in the description. And friends, talking about the NQT hiring, so your test will be a start on 10th of March onward. Okay, so those who are applying, then you have to wait for some more time. Okay, many of the you are commenting that when our exam will happen, so you have to basically wait for more time and prepare and utilize this time very well. Okay, coming to next important opportunity from the EXL, they are hiring for the role of associate application developer and job location is Chennai, and these are the job descriptions. So you will be basically working on application support, monitor, maintain and support .NET application, troubleshoot and SQL database management, and these are the important things. Okay, so you can just apply and this is a permanent job. And coming to next important opportunity, that is from the Just Pay, and this is one the wonderful opportunity everyone should apply. That is for the intern role. So they are hiring for the role of software development engineer backend intern, and job location is Bangalore. So you have to upload a resume. Make sure to upload the good resume because that will increase chances of your selections. Okay, and you have to just provide all those details, college name and inter college name in full, and UG degree and year and skills which you have. Then just click here submit. Coming to next important opportunity, and that is for the role of software engineer intern backend, and again freshers are eligible. So if you are 2024, 2025, 2026, then you can also apply, but 25, 2026 must apply for this, and the company name is Sense HR. Okay, so this is the role software engineering intern, and this will be your job description. So you will work on the backend technology, and you should have knowledge of some MySQL, MongoDB, and if you have some basics knowledge of AWS, then this is a good things and it will increase chances of your selection. And these are the requirement. You should have a bachelor degree and you should pursuing in it. Okay, and for other important opportunity, if you want, then you can refer to our video. I regularly post lots of important job data on my YouTube channel. So yesterday I talk about the Policy Bazaar, Jamp, and other hiring is going on related to Accenture, Cisco and other. So you can apply for all those role and you can go through very fits and all those things. Okay, so this will be your perks and benefits. So I hope this video informative to you friends. If you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can fill the form link in the description, and I will provide you dedicated feedback and guidance for the real interview. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.